Hello friends, I am Megha, your instructor for online Abacus classes. So this is for the very first session of online Abacus classes, wherein I am going to teach you the very first level, that is Junior 1A. So Junior 1A, we have the introduction of 1 to 20 numbers on Abacus. How to form 1 to 20 numbers on Abacus tool as well as on hand. So very first I am going to tell you how 1 to 20 numbers are formed on Abacus tool. So this is my master Abacus. So this is the master Abacus. So before teaching you how to make 1 to 20, I am going to tell you, just making you aware, that every arrangement of beat on Abacus tool has to be done by left hand. That is this hand, because by using your left hand we activate our right brain, and by making use of our right hand we activate our left brain. And you very well know from the intro session that which brain is good for you, right brain or left brain. So this is the Abacus. These are known as the upper beats, these are known as lower beats, and this is known as the value bar. When the beats will touch the value bar, only then they will have a value, otherwise they are zero. That is, these beats are not touching the value bar, neither these beats are touching the value bar. Therefore, the present situation is that the Abacus does not have a value, that is, it is not forming any number. Second point is, these are known as upper beats, these are lower beats. 4 lower beats, 1 upper beat, 1 upper beat. The value of 1 upper beat is 5, whereas the value of each lower beat is 1, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. So what I mean to say is, whenever they will touch the value bar, since it has a value of 1, it is now forming 1. When the upper beat will touch the value bar, it will have a value of 5. And the third thing, that this line represents your ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. I am having 5 lines in my master Abacus, but the Abacus tool that will be provided to you may have more than 5 lines. So these lines will be useful when we jump on to big calculations, that is 4-digit number added to 5-digit number. Then we will be requiring 100,000, 10,000 lines. Now only in the initial levels we will make use of only ones and tens. So how to form 1? When the lower beat is pushed upwards, it is having a value of 1, and now is it touching the value bar, so it is forming 1. When 1 more, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 3, 4. They are having a value because they are touching the value bar. Only they are having value, and their value is 1, 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. To make 5, pull them all down and pull this upper beat down and make it touch the value bar. Since I told you in the beginning, upper beat has a value of 5. So only when this beat touches the value bar, it will form 5 on Abacus. It is forming, and all beats should be down. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Now to form 10, we have 1 at 10's place, at 0 at 1's place. So this represents our ones. We have to make 0 at 1's place. So pull and push them all up and down, and we have to form 1 at 10's place. This is our 10's. When making this beat touch the value bar, we are forming 1. So 1 and 0 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How to form 15, guys? Pull them all down. Upper beat, when touches the value bar, forms the value of 5. 1 and 5, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. How to form 20 now, guys? See, 20, 0 at 1's place. So make it all 0, make it all down, and 2 at 10's place. When we already have plus 1, 2. So this is 2, this is 0, this is 20. So this is the way how we form 1 to 20 numbers on Abacus tool. Now I am going to teach you how 1 to 20 numbers are formed on hands. Please carefully see this. Our right hand is used as ones, and we use our left hand as tens. So all the 4 fingers represent the 4 lower beats, each having a value of 1. और जो हमारा thumb होता है वो represent करता है value of 5. जो हमारा upper beat था, उसकी value थी 5, और जो हमारे 4 lower beats थी, each की value 1 थी, वो हमारी fingers represent करती है. तो 1 बनाने के लिए एक finger, उसमें we will add 1 more, so we will get 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 5 बनाने के लिए only the thumb. So this is 5. If I add one more to 5, since these fingers have a value of 1, 5 plus 1 6, plus 1 7, plus 1 8, plus 1 9 to form 10. 1 at 10's place, left hand represents 1 and 0 at 1's place. So 1 and 0 is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How to form 20? 2 at 10's place, 0 at 1's place. So this is 20. So this is all we are going to with these 1 to 20. Our first level junior 1A is all about 1 to 20 numbers. So I am going to tell you, if you see your book, that will be provided to you. So this is the very first exercise, in which it says write the bead value and move the beads with the help of your left hand on the abacus tool that you guys have. So this is the first question that says, in this first questions there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. That is total 10 parts and different bead arrangement is done in each part. हर एक part में beads को differently arranged है. तो आपको देखकर बताना है कि उस bead की value क्या है. If it touching the value bar, अगर वो value bar को touch कर रहा होगा इसका मतलब उसकी कोई value है. अगर नहीं कर रहा तो मतलब 0 है वो. तो अगर आप first में देखें, अब क्योंकि अब मैं ये सारी arrangement आपको abacus में बनाकर दिखाऊंगी and I will teach you in that way. तो जो first A part है वो कुछ इस तरह बना हुआ है. This is the first A part. वो कुछ इस तरह बना हुआ है. तो आप देख सकते हैं वंस की प्लेस पर वन बीट इज टचिंग द वैल्यू बार, दैट इज योर लोअर बीट, और एक लोअर बीट की वैल्यू 1 होती है. तो एक ही टच कर रहा है तो दिस इज 1. सो यू विल गोइंग टू राइट द आंसर एज 1 और अपने आप थ्रू योर लेफ्ट हैंड मेक दिस अरेंजमेंट ऑन योर abacus एज वेल. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फिर बी पार्ट से, बी पार्ट की कुछ अरेंजमेंट ऐसे है तो दिस आंसर इज 2. सी पार्ट की ऐसे है 3, डी पार्ट की ऐसे है 4, E part की ऐसे है. You guys are going to tell this the answer. This is 5. Next is 6. Next 7. Next is 8. Next is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all touching the value bar. This is forming the value of 9. तो ऐसे ही we have worksheets. This was all your. Then here is the repetition. And this, see, I am just explaining you the entire page. It says color and write number with left hand. 1 is formed, 2. So you have to, आपको ये color करना है अपने left hand से, because you know whenever you use your left hand, right brain develops. Or this one, you can see the dash, see the blank space given here. तो आपको अपने left hand से यहाँ पर numbers लिखने हैं 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. You can see 2 again, blank space 2 2 2 2 2 2. So this is your first page. In this way we have second page which says write finger value. इन पे अब different fingers बनी हुई है, different hand की positions बनी हुई है with different fingers position, और you have to tell कि कौन सी क्या value ये form कर रहे हैं. So I am going to tell you by making this. जो first बनी है वो कुछ ऐसे बनी हुई है. Can you tell me this? This is 1, जो 1 बनी हुई है. दूसरी बनी हुई है ऐसे 2, 3, 4. Now you tell 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have this 1 and 0. Always remember left hand represents tens, right hand represents ones. So this 1 and 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sorry, see, I made a mistake. 16, 17, 18, 19. How guys? 20. 2 and 0. This is 20. You have to write the value as to what the fingers tell. Which number are the fingers representing? This is the second page. Again we have something. Again color and write 1 and 2 with the left hand. This is your RBD activity. Now we have 3 more worksheets in such a way that will be your homework. After this session, these 3 worksheets will be provided to you as homework. Whenever you come in the next session, whenever you are going to take the next section, it is required that you first do these 3 worksheets which are given to you as homework. Only then you will be able to jump to the next session. I hope you guys really like this session. But before ending this session, I would like to give you one more RBD activity, which is really helpful in increasing your focus and concentration. What you have to do, it's very simple, that you have to make use of thumb and little finger. Thumb, little finger, then switch. Thumb, little finger, then thumb, little finger, thumb, little finger, thumb, little finger, this. So keep on practicing this because this is very important for increasing your focus and concentration and is a right brain development activity. So I hope you really like this session. Thank you for the day. Thank you.